Hey everybody, it's Joshua and Shelly from Tiny House Basics, and welcome to our tiny house bathroom.
We're going to give you a little tour of the bathroom, but most importantly, we're going to show you the toilet that we've been using for the past couple of months.
It's called a Lavio Dry Flush, and so we're going to take you on a little tour, show you how it operates, and then kind of the use and maintenance that we've dealt with for the past couple of months. So let's go ahead and take a look. Welcome to the tiny house bathroom. We'll show you quickly. Here is our vanity and sink, our 39-inch corner shower, our big window looking out at our beautiful view. We have our washer-dryer combo. That's a LG washer-dryer combo. And then here is our new addition to the tiny house. This is our toilet.
Dun, dun, dun.
It is a Lavio Dry Flush toilet. And you can see it uses these cartridge bags, which have about 15 uses per refill.
15 to 17.
15 to 17. And so, unlike a composting toilet, you go 1 and 2 in this little aluminum bag.
Yes.
And then you flush it. There's a little button right here to flush the toilet. And it'll twist it. And so we'll go ahead and show you what that is like in just a second. And then after the cartridge is all done, you just open up the top, which we're going to show you how to remove the whole system and replace a new one. And then you can insert a new cartridge, and then you have another 15 to 17 uses on the toilet. So this is kind of like totally an off-grid setup. We have a little battery charger right here. We've had this toilet for about how long? About 2 months?
Yeah, it's been about 2 months now.
Yeah, so 2 months we've had it, and we've gone through a lot of refills on it, so we've gotten pretty comfortable with how we use it, or how to use it, and how it operates. So let's go ahead and show you how the flushing system works. So we're just going to do peat moss. So this is what this is, peat moss, basically dirt. So we'll just pretend this is, you know what it is. So
it's just peat moss.
Yeah, it's just peat moss. So we're just going to put some peat moss in there.
Probably plenty. Okay.
And then we're going to take some water right here, and we'll just pretend that is water. The water goes all right there. And then, for good measure, let's just put in a little toilet paper. And then to flush it, you just push this button right here, hold it down for a couple seconds, and you can see that it inflates, twists the bag.
And boom, it's gone.
And boom.
So for those who don't want to deal with a composting toilet, are a little more skittish, this is a really nice alternative. And apparently some have told me it's similar to a diaper genie. So if you're familiar with those.
Oh, a diaper genie. Yes.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
I had to look it up, but I guess it is kind of similar, but this is definitely a little nicer. But
so it uses a regular toilet seat. There's kind of the cover for the toilet. And then, so regular toilet seat, so you can change it up to something fancy if you want. A Hello Kitty
Sorry, I know
toilet
this
seat.
is close. I'm just showing you. It's empty, so you don't see anything. So every time
so this could be used in boats, airplanes, RVs, sprinter van conversions, camping outside at a porta potty. Like a privy. So it's really very versatile for that. So we've gotten really comfortable with it, using it for the past couple of months. And I know a lot of people are kind of curious on how the thing actually operates. So maybe for good measure, I'll just kind of do another one so you can kind of see it again. They say about 15 to 17 flushes. Now it's good to flush every single time you use the toilet, whether you pee or poo. It doesn't really create any extra space if you're, the saying, if it's yellow, let it mellow. So that doesn't really...
Is that a saying?
It is a saying.
How do I not know about this?
It's a water conservation saying.
Oh.
So it's good to just flush it every single time, because you're not really going to gain any extra space, because there's kind of a bucket down there, which we'll show you a few, that holds a certain amount of material.
It's like per twist, it only holds so much, and they do tell you that when you get it. It's not like a secret. So you're doing yourself a disservice if you're like, oh, I'm going to use the same one flush several times. Like, it just doesn't work out. So
we'll go ahead and show you another flush on it. So let's add some more peat moss in there. Then add some more water. drip, drip, drip.
Maybe a little less toilet paper this time, you know.
A little less? Okay. No toilet paper?
Yeah, I guess so.
All right. And then to flush it, we'll just go right here to the button, hold it down for a couple seconds. Let it do its magic.
And gone.
And gone. So right now, we'll assume it's full. When it gets close to full, it'll actually show a red line on the silver bag, so you'll know that you have no more flushes. It's best to empty it right there. So the emptying process, we just take off this cover right here. And then there is a bucket right down in here. So
which has another bag.
Yeah, another bag. So you just take the plastic bag, lift it up like this. And then sometimes, since this load isn't totally filled, the silver lining will actually detach from this plastic thing. But since this isn't all the way done, and we're doing it for an example of the video, you can actually take this plastic ring out. It doesn't have to go into the bag. So yeah, you just lift it up like that, and you are done.
You get to feel the weight of your 15 flushes.
You get to feel the weight of everything you drank and ate. So I'll go dispose of this properly, and I'll be right back with a refill, and I'll show you how the refill process goes. Okay, so now we're ready to do a refill. So this is what the refill pack costs. I mean, what it looks like. These refill packs run about $15, and the cheapest way to get them is directly from Dry Flush. You can also find them at Home Depot as well. So in the refill pack, it comes with this, with the aluminum bag, a big rubber band, and then a trash bag. So the first step is we will take out this hexagon tub. And as you can see right here in the toilet, it's all self-contained. I mean, it's all contained, so it stays very, very clean. So we'll take the toilet right here, and then the trash bag, bucket.
Just the bucket.
And you just wrap it around.
Easy peasy. Put a rubber band on it.
Yeah, put a band on it.
Keep that bad boy in place.
And then at this point, we'll just kind of push it in the toilet. And then we just find its little gear. So we just kind of move it around till it catches the gear.
Like a microwave. I mean, probably not.
So when it catches the gear, it'll drop and it gets resistance. Then we will take the refill, and it's a hexagon here to match the bucket. And we look for these two notches. So we take the little hexagon out, line it to the bucket, push it down, and then we push the refill in. Get it a little spaced out, and then we put on the cover, toilet lid, and then per the manufacturer, they recommend doing one flush.
Kind of set it in place, right?
Yeah. All ready to party now. So that's just a little tour of the Lavio Dry Flush toilet. It's a really great option for off-grid living, for tiny houses, boats, planes. So yeah, we hope this will kind of show you a little bit more about it, and so you can help determine if this is the right toilet for you. Again, it is a Lavio by Dry Flush. You can get the toilet, and then you can buy packs of refills to refill the toilet. So we hope this helps, and let us know what you think in the comments. And thank you so much for watching. All right, bye.